Hey, this is CryptoCruz once again with CoinFinancial, bringing you another crypto market update. So it's been a while. I'm so behind from all the updates. Been busy during the holidays, but I'm back. We need a lot of catching up to do. So many news, bad news and good news have been released since my last video. All right, but everything is still on track. Everything that I've been talking about is still on track, right? And we still haven't gotten all the way down to 13.5. Just like what I said, it's really, there's a higher chance, higher probability that we have bottomed, and I wouldn't be surprised if we do go lower and reach 13,000, like what everyone is saying, but I'm not gonna wait around to see that level before I start buying, because I do believe that there's a higher probability that we have bottom and we could just move sideways and gradually start going up from here. And actually what I'm seeing right now, what everyone's seeing, we're in the green and we're holding strong. So the best strategy is not to time the bottom. Don't ever try to time the bottom or the top. Just dollar cost average in, right? So what we're going to talk about right now, again, weekly chart on the Bitcoin. Here we go. Let's get on with it. I have this trend line. It's an orange trend line. As you can see right here, you see that long orange trend line that I've been following for a while. And what is crazy is we are actually right now trying to break through that trend line. On the weekly chart, you could barely see it, but if we zoom in some more, just to show you, this trend line is dating back from August 2021. Okay, that's how powerful this trend line is, and it's, the price action is supporting this trend line really well, going from support to resistant to support to resistant. All right, and if we zoom in, we're gonna go to the daily chart and look to the left. Always look to the past. Let's see. If we look to the left, we have so much lines going on, but concentrate on that. Just concentrate on that orange line right now. Right, I'm gonna possibly zoom out a little bit more. As you can see how we have respected this line, going from resistant to support, support to resistant to support. You see that? From resistant to support, resistant to support to resistant, right? And going all the way to where we are now. Again, support, back down, try to go back up, back down, and now we're right here again. But the good news is we actually opened this day, the daily candle, we opened it slightly above. You could barely see it on the daily chart, but if we go to the 4-hour chart, you can see that we opened this actually not slightly above, but pretty much almost right on the mark of that of that orange line, right? So we're trying to break through that right now. Okay, that would be good if we stay above that the whole day, the whole 24 hours, right? Starting now all the way through when the 24-hour candle closed, the daily candle close above it. That's actually the 17,000 mark. That's what we're looking at. Hopefully we spike up some more and stay above it, right? Right now it's looking great. The squeeze is separating, especially on the 4-hour. Remember our strategy on the squeeze strategy. Whenever it starts to break out, if we're on above or on top of that Bollinger Band, it tends to follow, right? So that's good news. Now if we do end up supporting that and making that orange line become resistant, I mean not resistant but support again, next target and I've always kept talking about this target, and it's the 28,000 level, right? I'm still sticking to that 28,000 level. Again, we're looking at the weekly and daily chart, so it's not overnight. It's not even weeks. It could be a month or so. And I've been saying this since December. Right, so that's my update on Bitcoin. Right now, we're on the right track. Also, some great news just launched. BlackRock started buying up Bitcoin. Massive amounts. We're talking about billions of dollars worth. And what's crazy is the account that they're using has, I believe, what was it? It's like a few trillion dollars in that fund manager account that they're using to buy Bitcoin. The whole crypto market is not even at $1 trillion, or it's barely at $1 trillion in market cap. So in a sense, they could buy up this whole market cap. BlackRock can actually buy the whole supply of Bitcoin, all 21 million, if they wanted to. But they're not going to do it because, it's just going to be crazy. First of all, it's just going to make the price of Bitcoin skyrocket. So, but I do believe they have the funding to, if they wanted to, they have the fundings to do it, but they're not going to do that though, So another thing too, again, they're buying up. BlackRock is buying up Bitcoin. That's good news. Another thing too is all the, the market is green. The market, pretty much most of the market is looking green right now, right? And one of the another coin that I want to talk about today is GALA Games. That was actually one of my top five pick. One of my top 5 pick in December. If you haven't seen that video yet, I suggest you watch it. It's my top 5 crypto gaming. It's my top 5 gaming crypto that I chose for the next bull market that can get you to 1,000 to 4,000% in gains in the next bull market. And one of them was GALA Games. And sure enough, look at this. GALA Games is actually starting early right now. From the past few days, GALA Games is up almost 100%. I believe it's up about 90% since this past few days. If we go measure this is GALA Games. If we measure this movement right here from the bottom right here, which was January 5th, that was a few days ago, right? All the way to where it is now, 91%, 92%. It's actually going up again. So it's 91, 92% in gains right now. Okay. So what's going on with GALA, right? One, I've always liked GALA. What is going on here? There. Sorry about that. I've always liked GALA Games. I started playing their games. One of their games called Town Star. That's what I started playing. But what's making this move happen is that they've revealed their 2023 roadmap, right? They're about to launch a bunch of games that are in development, right? They've announced that they're in the process of launching it here very soon. Play to earn. And also they're pushing for 100% burn on their tokens. Pretty much every GALA tokens that you use to transact will be burned. So that'll make this tokenomics deflationary, right? Meaning every time someone makes a transaction, purchase something in the game and all that stuff, that token is burned. It's gone in circulation. That could make the price go up even more. All right, supply and demand principle, right? That will make this deflationary. If we have enough gamers or people playing the games, it's just gonna make it go crazy. So that's actually one of the main reasons that our prices going up like crazy right now. Okay, I probably wouldn't buy right now. If you're watching this video, I probably wouldn't buy right now. Just a disclosure, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, right? I'm just sharing with you what I would do if I was in the scenario. What I'm doing right now is I'm just holding the GALA that I've already bought. Okay, I've already bought it before this spike happened. I'm not buying any more. Not right now. Why? Because one, we're way oversold. I mean, overbought. We're in a way overbought territory, and this is the 4-hour chart. That's not short term, guys. This is actually a pretty long-term chart. Way overbought, right? The Bollinger Band, the price is well above the Bollinger Band. It's too extended, and that wick right there that is an enormous wick, meaning it went all the way up and got rejected back down. All right, that shows sign of weakness, or reversal. Okay, so I would not buy right now. That's me. I'm not gonna be buying right now. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait till this retrace. Let's look at the dollar, the USD chart. It's very similar. It's just easier to read because now we're looking at, instead of the Satoshi price, we're looking at the dollar price. This is at 3.4 cents right now. Next resistant level, or I mean support level, would be right at 3 cents, right around 3 cents. I'll wait for it to retrace at 3 cents to see if it holds. If it doesn't hold, we're gonna go all the way back down to 2.5 cents. Okay, that is the next resistance. If I see 2.5 cents, I will be buying some more. If I see 2.5 cents in GALA price, I will be buying some more. I can guarantee you that. That's me. That's what I will be doing. I can't make you do anything. Do your own research and decide on your own what you want to do. Okay? But in the long term, I do believe, this is not financial advice, but I do believe in the long term, GALA can easily reach $1, right? Just think about that. From 3 cents to $1. How many X is that? All right, that's why you should watch that video, the 1,000 to 4,000% gain, top 5 picks. All right, and don't forget to like and subscribe my video, guys, by the way, if you like this type of content. All right, so now that's GALA games. We are gonna go to Cardano, another crypto that's making a little bit of noise right now. I've always been a fan of Cardano. I actually bought Cardano back in 2018 when it was right around 3 cents, right? So I got in fairly early, right? And obviously on the way up, I did sell. No one in their right mind would just keep holding and holding, right? So I did dollar cost average out. There's a dollar cost averaging into a coin, and you can also, it's a good strategy to dollar cost average out of profits, right? So that's what I did on the way up. So just for reduction of risk. But anyways, right now it's making a little bit of noise. A lot of people, a lot of whales are actually buying Cardano right now, right? They're launching a bunch of projects. It's actually Cardano and XRP, but I'm not going to talk about XRP at the moment. So what I'm seeing here, though, I did draw this resistant line a few weeks back, actually a few months back. I drew this resistant line, right? And this is the resistant line I've been watching, resistant support line that I've been watching. And right now, if you're looking into FOMOing Cardano, right now might not be a good time because we're right on that line. Okay, we need to have a confirmation whether we break above it or get rejected. Right now, we're throttling up and down around it. We don't know if we're gonna break it above it or get rejected. Right now, we're below it, right? We went back below it, and let's see. We'll just see. And again, just like GALA, or GALA, however you want to pronounce it, we are way overbought, in a way overbought territory. Even if we go in the 4-hour chart, we're still in the way overbought territory, right? There's a big wick rejection, okay? And we're below that resistant line again. All right, let's see what happens. The name of the game in this space is being patient. Right? Don't FOMO in. Just look at the chart. and don't let your emotions run your decisions. Okay, just look at the chart, wait for confirmation to see if we actually break above this or get rejected. If we get rejected, we're going all the way back down. The next support line will be at around, this is Bitcoin Satoshi, it's going to be around 1700 Satoshi right here, right? Let's look at see if I can find my dollar chart on Cardano. Maybe it'll be easier for everyone to look. Okay, I don't have the resistant line on this one, but the next support line is around 29 cents right there, right? If we get rejected. Okay, and see if we hold the 29-cent level and go back up. But if not, we could go all the way as low as, oh, not too bad, 28 cents, around there, right? I mean, we could also see all these gains disappear and go all the way back down to 26 cents. Okay, but again, we need to see if we get rejected. Now, if we could stay above this, if we stay above this resistant line, the resistant line is probably around 33 cents, 32, 33 cents. If we stay above it, we're going to have to move sideways to reset everything and make a market structure. Move sideways long enough. We're looking at, if we go to the daily chart, right, go above it and move sideways, we're probably looking at going into February. If we can stay around this level until the month of February, then we have a higher probability of holding this level and continuing above, because that will actually, you know, most likely print a pretty nice bull flag. If that ever happens, okay, if that happens, we print a bull flag, we can continue all the way back up, all the way up to 40 cents, 39 to 40 cents. But that's what to look at in Cardano. Everything's looking good in the crypto space. There are still some bad news, but hey, we're decoupling from what? The stock market. The stock market continues to go down, but crypto and Bitcoin is holding. You know, like, even though our prices is not at 60K anymore, the fundamentals have never been stronger. The fundamentals haven't changed. In fact, it just keeps getting better and better and better, right? It's just another cycle, guys. We're just in a bear market. But guess what? When this next bull market hits, oh man, we can see above 100K levels in Bitcoin. And the altcoins, I don't even know. way up there as far as percentages. All right, if you like this type of content, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and please stay level-headed through all this turmoil and downturn. But right now, it looks like we're starting to reverse, so just be patient and hang in there. All right, until next time, bye.